Good morning children, welcome back to the social session. Yesterday we finished up the unit caste discrimination and struggle for equality, where we tried to understand the efforts made by the famous Dalit leaders in order to end up the untouchability in the society and their struggle for equality in society. And after independence, what kind of measures also have been taken up by the governments also we have seen in the previous class. Today, let us move on to the new unit called as livelihood and struggle of urban workers. Urban workers face numerous problems. One of them is their livelihood. So, in this pandemic situation, in this situation of COVID-19, the most affected people are the daily workers. Okay, and it was as a result of a sudden lockdown, the people who suffered were the workers. So, these urban workers face, because they migrate from the villages to the towns and nearby cities in search of the jobs and in search of the daily wage. So, because they leave all their assets, all their children at a village, and they come here to earn. So, because of this sudden lockdown, there was a big impact or influence which is found on the urban workers. So, how do they lead a life of livelihood? How is their livelihood? Let us understand under this unit called as livelihood and struggle of urban workers. It is livelihood, Gina, okay, livelihood and struggle of urban workers. Sir, what about the rural workers, sir? You may ask me. बहुत सारे रूरल के काम जो है वो खेती बाड़ी में होती है. इट्स लाइक एग्रीकल्चरल लेबरर. सो वी शैल नॉट, वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन अबाउट द रूरल वर्कर्स लाइफस्टाइल. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट दीज अर्बन वर्कर्स. Most mill workers, as we have seen in the production of a paper mill, they get high wages, bonus, that is a share of profits from the company, and provident fund bhi rehti hai, savings for the future and other allowances. They also get health care and housing facilities also if you are working in a big company like paper mill, nahi to Maruti company, nahi to aur bada company mein if you are working, then you are given all these facilities. But such workers constitute only a small section of all the workers in India. वैसे काम करने वाले बड़े बड़े कंपनियों में काम करने वाले वर्कर्स जो है वो बहुत कम लोग रहते, मगर ज़्यादातर लोग we learn about the workers who are employed on a daily wage system. Most workers in India, we will learn in this chapter about why and how the workers negotiate with their employers for a decent life through their organizations and law. And we also will learn about an organization working for those who work on their own. If you are working on your own, how the government will help you, what are the laws which are relating to such a organization, we shall learn under this unit. And we have learned that government makes the laws in the interest of the people. State government, how does it make the law? We have seen already in the previous chapter. So, laws are made to protect the welfare of the workers employed in different field. Why the laws are made? What is a law? Law बोले तो क्या है जी? कौन बनाते हैं law? Law बोले तो rules and regulations, children. Rules and regulations. कौन बनाते? Government बनाती. किसके बारे में? सभी के बारे में. For the workers they make the law, for the schools they make the law, for the water they make the law, for the roads they make the law, isn't it? For everything, laws are made by the government. So here also, these laws are made in order to protect and for the welfare of the workers. Workers की welfare के लिए laws बनाते गए government is. So factories which are properly registered with the government are expected to follow those laws and provide better wages and other facilities required for workers. जो laws government बनाई, वो laws कौन implement करना? Factories जो है, जो रजिस्टर्ड फैक्ट्रीज है गवर्नमेंट के पास, वो फैक्ट्रीज सभी वो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस फॉलो होके बेटर वेजेस और बेटर वर्किंग फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड करना चाहिए वर्कर्स को. गवर्नमेंट आल्सो हैव लेबर डिपार्टमेंट, वो फॉलो कर रहे हैं या नहीं, देखभाल करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट के पास एक लेबर डिपार्टमेंट रहती. वो लेबर डिपार्टमेंट विल इंक्वायर इनटू द वेलफेयर ऑफ द वर्कर्स which have the responsibility to ensure that these laws are implemented or followed. If the laws are not followed, then workers can file cases also in court. There are many cases which have been filed by the workers against to the owners, and at times factories protect the welfare of only a section of the workers who are called as permanent workers or regular workers. अभी देखो workers को divide करके what the factories will do is they will protect only the regular workers. A regular workers कौन है? We'll see in this lesson. And these regular workers are also called as permanent workers. Permanent workers. That means the laws which have to be followed by the factories to protect the welfare of the workers will not protect all the workers, but it will protect only the workers who are employed as a परमानेंट वर्कर जो है उन लोगों को ही ये इम्प्लीमेंट करते, और बाकी वर्कर्स जो है कैजुअल वर्कर्स नहीं तो व्हाट वी कॉल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वर्कर्स, उन लोगों को दे विल नॉट लुक आफ्टर. So this is what happens with many of the factories and which will be taken care by the labor department also. However, there are many factories which do not get properly registered with the government. Registration भी properly नहीं रहते बहुत सारे companies को. So let us find some conditions of workers in such factories which are closely present in Hyderabad. So about 2 such factories we will see in the next class, children. So remember that we have formative assessment 2 and the syllabus of the formative assessment 2 will be declared in tomorrow's class, children. Thank you.